What, 750 points got me at Sephora. Anything over 750 points ships completely for free. Let's open it right up. Oh, just like a little pamphlet of Something's Beautiful is here. I love their packaging. Their packaging is always top tier. This is the Marc Jacobs new eyeshadow. This is in shade Serving. So let's try it out. And the packaging is literally absolutely outstanding. That is so cute. Let's figure out. Oh, it's a slide to open. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Let's like try and get it in all the different angles for you. It's literally gorgeous. Literally gorgeous. Let's just like go in with our finger. Wow. Oh wow, that is just heavenly. And the texture is absolutely gorgeous. You don't even need anything else. You just need this. This retails for $40. So we got this completely for free and it's full size. And this is their Longwear eyeliner. This retails for $34 and we got this completely for free for our points. This is like a beautiful shade brown. Their packaging. Wow. That is really ridiculously cute to say the least. Like I love the star. It's just so cute. Now let me open it. We're gonna try it right on our hand first. Oh, there's a lot of control here and it glides just like butter. So let's just do something really easy because like I just want to do something easy. And then I'll just pull it with my finger. Kind of give it like that faded look. Yeah, that easy. Literally, I got these for free and what a cute and quick eye look. On my last video, I had a lot of people commenting that they didn't even know how to get these items or that they sold out too quickly before they could even get them. So here's my tips and tricks on how to get your Sephora rewards before everyone else. So you have a timer set for Tuesday and Thursday, 1 minute before the rewards drop. And then as soon as you hit that page, you're going to refresh the item you want until it says in stock. That can take a full minute because as it immediately hits the drop, it takes about a minute for them to put the stock in. So that's why it may seem like everything is sold out as soon as you click it. You need to keep refreshing until it comes in stock and you got to be quick. Don't have anything else in your cart, no samples, no nothing. And as soon as it's in there, check out and get out. We almost got $100 worth of value, like $75 plus tax, that'd be close to $100 of a value for free, just for points. And I always build up my points on the spend 75 and get 500 points. Just so everyone's aware, I'm not going crazy at Sephora all the time. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you have a great day. Bye!